How do you like to make $10 free right now? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. One thing that I try to pride myself on is I provide value to somebody else and I could potentially make money, right? Simple. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that as well. And you can start making $10 day after day after day. So let's get started. So here's what I want to show you, okay? This is a site called Be Frugal. Now, here's one thing I just want to put out there in case you were wondering. There's a link down below. This link down below gives you access to Be Frugal right here. You can go on there and you can sign up absolutely free. However, you will not get a free $10. So what I'm telling you is go and sign up using that link down below and you get a free $10. Now, I also want to just say this because some people think, well, what's in it for you? Well, for every person that signs up, I get $10. Okay? So you sign up, you get $10, I get $10, and that's it. So then you can go, it's called refer a friend and get $10. For every person you refer, you will get $10. Now here is what I recommend and here is what I did. Now let me explain what I did. Now if you love the honesty, if you love that I'm telling you, okay, you're gonna make $10, but at the same time, I'm gonna make $10. If you love that, hit that thumbs up button. But there's this site out there, you may have heard of it, it's called Facebook. It's a little known site, only like, a couple billion people. Anyway, little known site, called Facebook.com. You can go onto Facebook and you can tell people, hey, you've probably been overpaying for things you've been buying online. What I recommend is you go and sign up for a site called Be Frugal. Check it out, there's a link below. Here is exactly what you can do. So right here, this is my Facebook page. I hardly ever use it. I think I've used it maybe once in the past 3 or 4 years, my personal Facebook page. So don't send me messages because I will not read them. So right here, okay, what's on my mind? Hey friends, if you have been shopping online lately, then you are probably overspending. Let me show you how you can easily save money by using this free website that I just came across. Let's see. There we go. Oh yeah. If you sign up today, you will also get $10 in cash back. Yeah, the link here, there you go. Or sign up here. Okay? Sign up here. Then you add the link. Okay, let me show you what the link actually looks like. So this is actually the refer a friend section. You click on it like I just showed you and it says $10 for you, $10 for your friend. Earn $10 for every friend you refer to Be Frugal, plus each friend you refer will get a $10 sign up bonus. The more you refer, the more you earn. That's why I tell you go and put it on Facebook. So this link will look like this right here. Okay? It says Be Frugal. Your friend sent you $10. Either join with Facebook, join with Google, or enter your email address and start with that. You do not have to receive exclusive coupons and deals. Okay? Just to point that out, you do not need that. Now, you earn $10 bonus payable when you earn $10 in cash back. Here's what I want to show you that I think is actually incredible. Okay? Let me go back really quick. So right here, I'm at the BeFrugal.com homepage. Here's what I want to show you. I shop all the time. I shop online all the time. I'm buying stuff from Walmart, buying stuff from Target, buying stuff from Amazon. I buy stuff. I do use Priceline every once in a while. Usually I'm using Expedia or Hotels.com. But you come down here. It's right here. Amazon, up to 10% cash back. Walmart, 5% cash back. Okay. The best part about this is I get 5% just by using this link right here. By going through this link and buying anything off of Walmart, I get 5%. But on top of that, I get 3% whenever I buy anything using my Walmart credit card. So I'm getting 8% cash back, or 3% back or off my bill, and then 5% cash back. So I'm saving 8% just by using my credit card plus this simple link. eBay, I'm getting 2.5% cash back. So what this means if you're buying from Amazon is up to 10% cash back. you spend $100, that means you get $10 cash back and you get your $10 bonus. I'm not saying that you have to go and spend thousands and thousands of dollars like a lot of credit cards. You gotta spend, $1,000, you get $20 back. No, you spend $10 or spend $100, you save 10%, okay, you get $10 cash back, plus you get that additional $10 bonus. That is how you can get a free $10 today, okay? So the one thing I want to end this video with is, okay, you are promoting it over on Facebook to your friends and family. A lot of people are not really gonna do anything. They may click that like button. They may hit that, okay, they like it, or they saw it, or they, really, engaged with it. All you have to do is go in, send them a message, a private message, and ask them, or just say, I noticed that you liked my post I did on saving money. I just want to let you know, if you have any questions about Be Frugal, you can always ask me. I've been saving money for a while using this exact, this exact system. Okay, and that's all you have to do, and let them know. If you didn't sign up, go and sign up. It's free to sign up. You get $10. Okay, it's that simple. If somebody's willing to spend more on stuff that they're already buying, they're buying anyway. They're willing to spend more because they're not getting any cash back, and on top of that, they're willing to give up $10 just for the simple fact that you are willing to help them out. Okay, that is one of the reasons why I actually promote this, is because one, it will help you, okay, because you will save money. Two, it's going to help you because now you can go and promote this to your friends and your family and your colleagues and your coworkers and whoever else, okay? And for every single person that signs up, you get $10, okay? I don't get anything. I only get $10 for you, okay? That's all I get. It's $10 for you to sign up. And then for you, you get $10 for your aunt, your uncle, your cousin, your brother, your sister, your godson, whoever. You get $10 for all, 9 of those people. So you get $90. That is the beautiful thing about Be Frugal, is they're not like some of these other, cashback sites that they give you $5 or $10, but only when that person spends, $500, and it only works for the first 10 people. That's not what Be Frugal is doing. Be Frugal is giving you more of a cashback discount, or more cashback with a percentage cashback. They're giving you more than eBay. They're giving you more than even topcashback.com. They're giving you a lot more. So that's why I like Be Frugal. Okay, there's a lot of sites out there, but in my opinion, Be Frugal, one, has the highest cashback, and two, has the best affiliate program to go with it, where you make more money by actually referring your friends and family. So if you have any questions on Be Frugal, you can always ask me. Like I said, I've been using it for a little while. I love it. I've been making some money, back, but also been making money by explaining this to people that I know, how it works, why it works, the benefit of using the system, okay, and pushing out there to your friends and family so that you can make more money. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video, and like that I'm showing you how to make money doing other things, not just affiliate marketing, selling courses, YouTube, Amazon FBA, all that stuff, okay? If you like that I go back to the basics, explain these things, but also show you what I am doing and what I recommend for you to do as well to start making more money. Again, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.